Hi guys, so today's video I want to show us how to create a subdomain from your cPanel, right? So let's assume you bought your hosting already, or you already have an hosting and want to create a subdomain. So we just load into our cPanel. Alright. Okay, so um just going to search for subdomain here, going to pop up or I could just simply scroll down to the domain section here, this place, then look for the subdomain, then we click it. Alright, so um, see the subdomain I want to create is um, let's say I want to call it for my online classes. Let me say classes. Yeah, let me say classes. Mhm. I want to create it for a store. Let's say store. Alright, doesn't matter. It just depends on what you want to use the subdomain for. So this is store. So as you can see here, um, it's connected to my main domain, which is emailbangetim. So what you have is store.emailbangetim.com. So after that, I just click on create. Still loading. Alright, see some time. Yep. So subdomain is created. So go back here and click on the cPanel here. Go back to the cPanel home screen or home page. Then I scroll to where I have the WordPress installer. So I'll click on this where I have WordPress here. Click on that. So let's say I want to also do take notes, we've already created the subdomain. So let's say I just want to make a WordPress installation. I'll then click on install here. Then select the subdomain I just created, which is store.mailbangetim.com. Then I fill in my site name, call it image store, then site description, my store. Then set admin username and password for your site. So you can change this username and change the password also. Let's say I want to change it to my nickname, which is Bonzi. And then I think this password is quite secure. I'll just copy it and paste somewhere for safekeeping. Right. Copy it and put it in a notepad. So after that, just scroll down and click on install. Right, click on install. Scroll up. Alright, wow, so we are done. So there you have it. That's how you create your subdomain and also install WordPress on it. From there, you can start building your website on your subdomain. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was good enough. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, drop your comment, and also subscribe so that you can get more content like this. Thank you.